Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again with the content of mathematics. Today I am going to teach standard 8 mathematics lesson area, in which I am going to explain about the quadrilateral rhombus. Now you all are well known about the rhombus. Let us study some of its properties. So what is rhombus? First of all, let us have the description of rhombus. Rhombus is a closed figure having 4 vertices and 4 sides and 4 angles. Now its properties are, as rhombus has 4 sides, all 4 sides of rhombus are equal in length. That means length AB, length BC, length CD and length AD are of equal length. Another property of rhombus is diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Now if you can see, AC and BD are two diagonals of the rhombus which are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisector means it makes the angle of 90 degree at the point of intersection M. So, and the third so that because of this property we can see here AC is perpendicular on BD and it makes all angles here like angle AMB, angle AMD, angle DMC and angle BMC are all of 90 degree. Then fourth property of rhombus is diagonal of rhombus. Same diagonals of the rhombus, that is AC and BD are bisecting each other at point M. Now these two diagonals, if you can see, they are intersecting, they are bisecting each other at point M, and because of this property these two lengths AM and MC and BM and MD are of equal length. That is, AM is equal to MC. If AM is, for example, 5, then MC is also 5, and BM is 10, then MD is also 10. So we can write like AM is half of AC or MC is half of AC, BM is half of BD or MD is half of BD. Okay. Now these are the properties of rhombus. Now let us study the example of rhombus. Now this is the example based on this concept. If the length of a diagonal of a rhombus is 30 centimeters, that means we have to consider one of its diagonal length as 30 centimeters and its area, that means overall area of rhombus is given 240 square centimeters, and we have to find its perimeter. Now perimeter means what? Sum of all sides of any figure. That means in this sum area is given 240 and one of the length of diagonal is given 30. We can assume as BM is given 30 or AC is given 30. We are taking as BD is given 30. So quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Its area is 240 square centimeter. Length of its diagonal, we have assumed diagonal BD as 30 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter of this rhombus ABCD. So first we will find the length of another diagonal with the help of the formula of area of rhombus. Now what is the formula for area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is equals to half into bracket product of length of diagonal. Product means multiplication. Now which are the diagonals of this rhombus? AC and BD. So half into AC into BD, as they are the diagonal we have to find their product. Now already we have been given with the area. Area is 240 square centimeter. So we are writing area here. Then half into AC into BD is given 30. After calculating, we get the length of AC as 16 centimeter. Okay. Here 240 is equals to AC into, if you cut 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. Then this 15 which is having the position of multiplication, after coming to this side of the is equal to, it becomes division, and after dividing this we get AC is equals to 16 centimeter. Here we get the length of another diagonal also. Now we have the length of both the diagonals, that is BD is 30 centimeter and AC is 16 centimeter. Now we are going to make the use of another property of the rhombus, that is diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at point M. So you can see these two diagonals BD and AC bisect each other at point M. When I said they bisect each other, it divides the diagonal into two equal parts. as M is the point of intersection of both the diagonals. Therefore, according to this property, AM is equals to MC and BM is equals to MB. So we can make the formula. Suppose if you want to find out AM, then we can write the formula AM is equals to half of AC because of this property. So here we can get AM. Okay, AC is given 8. Just now we have calculated AC as 16. So after calculation we get AC is equals to AM is equals to 8. Similarly, with the same property we can get another formula. Suppose we have to find BM. So BM is half of BD. Now BD is given 30. So we can get BM as 15 centimeter. Okay. Now we have these two lengths, AM and BM. Now we have to find out AB. Okay. Because the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So each angle here at point M becomes 90 degree. So each angle here, each triangle is a right angle triangle. Now we have 4 right angle triangles in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can choose any one right angle to find out the one side of the rhombus. So we are choosing triangle AMB as a right angle triangle. Okay. So we can get AB by Pythagoras theorem. As AMB is a right angle triangle, so we can make the use of Pythagoras theorem. Now you know Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means the side which is opposite to 90 degree. This is your 90 degree, so the side which is opposite to 90 degree is your hypotenuse. So the formula is hypotenuse square is equals to one side square plus other side square. Now here obviously AB is our hypotenuse, so we can consider AM as one side and BM as another side. We have the values. We have got AM 8 centimeter, BM we got 15 centimeter. The square of 8 is 64. The square of 15 is 225. After adding this, we get 289. So AB square is equals to 289. Now AB, there was a square here. I removed the square and I put it this 289 under root. If you don't want the square, we can convert this under root. So now we have 289 under root. So what is the square root of 289? Is 17. So we got the length of AB is 17. Now length of AB was one of the side of whole rhombus. As rhombus has 4 sides and we have seen its property, all sides of rhombus are equal. So we have 4 sides, one of its side is 17 centimeters. So now finally we can find out the perimeter of this rhombus. So what is the formula for the perimeter of rhombus? Perimeter of rhombus ABCD is 4 into side. So we got the value of side as 17. So 4 into 17 we got the answer 68. Therefore the perimeter of this rhombus is 68 centimeter. Friends, this sum was very important. This sum is of 8th standard and the same concept is repeated in 9th standard geometry concept quadrilateral. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Thank you.